This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce. First, you'll need to confirm you meet your state's residency requirements, which often means living there for at least 6 months. Next, decide if your divorce will be uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms, or contested. This choice significantly impacts the process. Finally, begin collecting all essential financial and personal documents, like bank statements and property deeds, to prepare for the next steps. Once you've prepared, the first legal step is to complete and file the divorce petition with the appropriate court. This document formally starts the process. After filing, you must legally serve your spouse with these papers, ensuring they receive proper notification. There are specific rules for service, so follow them carefully. Be ready to respond to any counter-petitions or requests your spouse might file, as this is a common part of the legal back and forth. This phase involves crucial negotiations. You'll need to discuss and agree upon terms for child custody, support, and visitation, always prioritizing the children's best interests. Simultaneously, you'll divide all marital assets and debts, aiming for a fair distribution between both parties. This can include property, savings, and liabilities. Once agreements are reached on all these points, you'll draft a comprehensive marital settlement agreement, which outlines every detail of your divorce. The final stage involves attending court hearings, where you'll present your marital settlement agreement to the judge. The court will review the terms to ensure they are fair and legally sound. Once approved, the judge will issue the final divorce decree, officially dissolving your marriage. This document is extremely important, so keep it safe. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during this process and beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.